everyone, welcome back again today. Today's phrasal verb is to phase out, and let's have a look at its meaning. So it means to gradually withdraw or eliminate something. For example, it seems petrol and diesel cars are being phased out. Meanwhile, electric vehicles are being phased in. So as you can see there, the opposite to phase out is to phase in, to gradually introduce something. And also take note that this phrasal verb is often used in the passive, and I will give you an example of how it might be used in the active voice. The government is phasing out tax breaks for large companies. So it's gradually eliminating these tax breaks, not all in one go, because that would be controversial. So to gradually phase something out, to eliminate it bit by bit. So that's it. Subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss the next phrasal verb. Bye for now.